Hello guys, in this part we are going to learn how can you add text to your video in Shotcut. So here I have two separated video and I want to add text just only in this clip. So that is why I have selected this clip, and then you will need to go to the filters and click on this plus icon. Then you have to search for text and you will get two options, text rich and text simple. I want to add simple text, that is why I am clicking on that. And here we have some default text, we have to remove that. And I want to add the river name actually. Okay, now if you want to add transitions, you can select from here, slide out bottom, slide out left. Okay, I'm selecting that. Now we have to resize that. You can do resize like this. I want this a little bit. Okay, now you can see the transition. Here is the transition. Okay, so we can do more things like changing the colors actually, add backgrounds. You can also add, I have to resize that a little bit. I know this is really awkward looking text. You will need to just design by yourself. You can also add padding outline. I want to add white outline, and you can increase the thickness, padding size. You will get the options. You can change also the position and size from here. You can change the position from here. Okay, you have some inbuilt options actually here: middle, bottom, top, center, right. You have to just click on that. Okay, so this is how guys you can add text.